Skincare and its dermatologist, Dr. Anna Guanche, for her favorite drugstore finds.
There are so many surprises at the drugstore. You can try 2% salicylic acid pads. It's like having a mini peel. It helps to brighten and exfoliate your skin. Another tip, did you know that eye drops reduce facial redness? You can put a few drops of the ones that have tetrazoline in them in your moisturizer and spot treat your pimples to make them look less red. And here's a great product that until recently you could only find at a department store, Retinol capsules. I love these. RoC Retinol Correction Night Serum Capsules. RoC had a clinical study conducted on 30 women, and the results showed that almost everyone who tried it, 97%, had visible reduction in lines and wrinkles in one night. And these results keep getting better over time. In 4 weeks, everyone in our study had visibly firmer skin. You can get it at Target for under $25.